Hello students, today we will understand HTML. Internet is the largest information base and has become a vital part of our lives. Internet has revolutionized the world economy as well as society. Using Internet, we can share data and information across the globe instantly. The servers share their data or information resources available on the Internet with clients, systems which initiate requests to servers for various services. They rely on servers for files, devices, processing power, etc. The servers store files and information in the form of websites. These websites consist of millions of pages which contain text, graphic, video, audio and link to other web pages via hyperlink. These websites can be accessed by different users around the world by using internet connection. Have you ever wondered what lies behind a web page? Which technology is used as backend to write the web pages? The answer is we need a language to create websites. HTML is the most widely used language to design web contents for the Internet. Let me share the fact that www is founded by Tim Berners-Lee. World Wide Web Consortium W3C is the main international standard organization for the World Wide Web, abbreviated as www or W3. Let us first talk about the history of HTML. IBM sowed the seeds for HTML in the early 1980s. Initially, it was known as by the name called GML, General Markup Language. It was a powerful language that aimed at creating a document in which one could mark the title headings, text, font selection and much more. In 1986, this concept got standardization by ISO, International Organization for Standardization, and was renamed SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language. In 1989, Sir Tim Berners-Lee and his team redesigned this language and named it as HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Students, let me tell you more about HTML5. HTML5 was introduced on January 18, 2011. HTML5 contains features like video playback and drag and drop that have been previously dependent on third-party browser plugins such as Adobe Flash, etc. HTML is a complete code package that allows a user to create web pages. It includes text and graphics. You can add links to your web pages. Hyperlinks are the highlighted text segments or images that connect a page to another pages on the web. Let's analyze the word HTML. Hypertext is the text used to link various web pages. It is the text on a web page, clicking on which opens a new web page. Markup. Markup means highlighting the text either by underlining or displaying it in different colors or both. Language refers to the mode of communication between web pages. HTML has its own syntax and rules. Also, HTML is not a case-sensitive language. Let us talk about describing tags. HTML is a tag-based language. A tag is a piece of code which acts as a label that a web browser interprets. It instructs a web browser what to display and how to display. A complete tag having an opening tag and a closing tag is known as element. We use various attributes in the tags that contain additional information like formatting effects, alignment, colors, etc. Okay, let me describe the structure of an HTML document. The standard structure of an HTML document has two sections, head and body, which is shown below. The HTML document starts with bracket in HTML bracket close tag and ends with bracket in /HTML bracket close tag. Each document is considered to be a single page. Everything is written within these tags. If the commands are not enclosed in tags, then a web browser will assume the commands as simple text. The HTML page is divided into two sections: header, head, and the body, body. The header is where you put information that is important about the web page, but you cannot see it in your browser window. The title tag has to be given within the head tags. It contains the title of the document. The title should be short and less than 64 characters. The title tag changes the text that appears on the top of your browser, but not in the actual viewing pane. The head is the first element contained inside the HTML element. It contains no text within itself. The body tag contains the text which gets displayed on the web page along with other tags and attributes. In the body tag, we use formatting elements, images, heading, list, etc. to enhance the appearance of a web page. Every opening tag must have an ending tag. The closing tag has a /. However, some tags have only an opening tag. Alright, now let us talk about HTML tags. A tag comprises of text enclosed in angle brackets. All tags have their own attributes and default values. Each tag in HTML follows specific rules known as syntax. These tags are not case sensitive. For example, bracket in, tag name, bracket close, and bracket in capital letters, tag name, bracket close will have the same effect. There are infinite combination of HTML tags or elements which are used for forms, images, and lists. Everything displayed on a web page requires the use of a tag. The HTML elements can be categorized as container elements, empty elements. Let's talk about container elements. In HTML, the tags that include both on and off tags are called container elements. A tag is opened using opening angle brackets and closed using closing brackets. For example, bracket in, HTML bracket close tag has its closing tag which is bracket in / HTML bracket close and attributes as well. While using tag sets as containers, we should always balance the flow. For example, correct way is tag 1, tag 2, tag 2 and tag 1. Incorrect way is tag 1, tag 2, tag 1 and tag 2. Now let us talk about empty elements. Empty elements contain only on tags. They do not have off tags. These elements do not enclose any data. Instead, they function on their own. For example, BR tag is an empty tag which breaks the line and displays the text from the next line as shown in the figure. Students, now let us find out how to create an HTML document. To create an HTML document, you can type the text in any word processor like WordPad, Notepad. The extension given to the page is always .html. Let us see how to open and create an HTML document using a notepad. Open Notepad by clicking on the Start, then go to All Programs, then go to Accessories, then go to Notepad. The Notepad window will appear. Type the HTML code as shown in the figure. Click on File, then click on Save menu option. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the folder to save the file. Select All Files in Save As type option. Mention the name in File Name text box with an extension .html. Click on the Save button. Students, when you save an HTML file, you can either use .htm or .html extension. Let us learn how to view an HTML document. To view an HTML file, we need a web browser such as Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, Mozilla Firefox, or Google Chrome. Here we are using Internet Explorer as it is a part of Windows. To view your first web page, follow these steps. Click on Start, then go to All Programs menu and choose Internet Explorer option. The Internet Explorer window will appear. Click on File menu of Internet Explorer window and select Open option. The Open dialog box will appear. Click on Browse button to locate the HTML file. A dialog box will appear. Choose the path where you have stored your HTML document and select your file. Click on the Open button in the Open dialog box. Your web page will be shown on the web browser. You can observe that the text given within the title tags is displayed on the title bar of the Internet Explorer window, and the text given within the body tags is displayed in the body of the web browser window. Notice the address bar of the Internet Explorer. The complete path of the file name with an extension .html is displayed here. You can also type the path in the address bar instead of choosing it from the Open dialog box.